Hi guys, if you follow these houseplant care tips in this video, you have thriving houseplant in your home. I explain how houseplant grow faster and bigger with easy care tips which don't cost you a thing. Welcome and welcome back to Green Plant Guide. Prune your plant and cut away all growths to encourage stronger, bushier growths and make your plant much healthier. When you cut the stem, it encourages the plant to send out 2 new shoots on the stem from where you first made the cut. If you do this to your plant, then you will end up with a nice bushy plant, lots of stem and lots of leaves. This technique is how experts have amazing bushy plant in their videos. They prune and propagate their plant, which make their plants large and extra bushy. Have no fear about making the wrong cuts on your plants because they always grow back. Lack of water or too much is a common reason for a houseplant not growing well. Don't get in the habit of watering on a plant, because some plants need watering less. Succulents thrive in low humidity, but the majority of them might suffer. If you are watering it too much, it will tend to rot. Bottom water is healthy for the plant's roots because it encourages the roots to go down to the bottom of the pot. Without a strong root system, your plant will not grow healthy. Never leave a pot sitting in standing water for more than 30 minutes. The biggest risk with bottom watering is waterlogging of roots, which is seldom a problem in a small pot, but maybe if the pot is very large and made of plastic or another material that holds water well. If you are enjoying the video so far, then I would be really happy if you would hit the like button. Thanks a lot. Pin the stem of your plant to the top of the soil to encourage the stem to develop roots, grow stronger and push out new stem. So this tip is useful for vining plants such as Tradescanthus and Heartleaf philodendron. If these news come into contact with soil, root will be encouraged to develop. Do you rotate your houseplant? It's a main step to make sure that your plant has grows well. If you keep your plant on a windowsill, then you have noticed that most of the leaves on the plant are facing in the direction of the window. This is of course because the plant is searching for natural light. Plants eat light and turn it into sugar, and they burn the sugar in order to grow, flower and thrive. Therefore, to avoid having a plant that is lopsided and strong and grows on one side but not the other, we need to rotate our plant so that all the leaves have access to indirect sunlight. I rotate my plant about 90 degrees every week, but my coworker didn't rotate her spider plant, and the result was awful. Please comment what do you think about this. Clean and remove the dead leaves from the soil of your plants. If you don't removing the fallen leaf from the soil, you are creating the perfect place for fungus to thrive. This can be harm to the health of your plant. Whenever I water my plant, I check the soil and remove any dead leaves that have fallen. It's important to keep plant leaves free from dust by giving them a clean once a month. Plants will respond by looking healthy and growing faster. I often do this when I'm feeding my houseplant about once a month. Remember, if your plant has shiny green leaves, it will be thrived soon. Don't clean the succulent leaves. Succulents have something called farina. I explained before in plant care video. You can check from link above. It's important to check whether your plant needs a repot into a bigger pot at least once a year. Plants are developing really quickly during the growing season, and they get to a point where there are too many roots in the pot and not enough nutrients. Make sure you don't put your plant into too big a pot, as this can lead to problems such as overwatering and rotting of the roots. 1 or 2 sizes bigger than exciting pot is great. Repot your plant and refresh the soil with a high quality indoor plant potting mix and wait for thriving. I've got a video as repotting hacks, and I will show you some tips and tricks to help you repot your plant, so check out for simple repotting. I will see you there. Thank you very much for watching.